A defendant's first appearance in the court. All adult defendants have their first hearing before the magistrate court, irrespective of the offense that they are charged with. The location of the subsequent appearance is determined by the category of offense that they are charged with. Where the accused is on bail, the first hearing must be within the 14 days of his being charged. If the prosecution anticipates a guilty plea, which is likely to be sentenced in the magistrate court, where it is anticipated that the accused will plead not guilty, or the case is likely to go to Crown Court for the either trial or sentence, the first hearing must be within the 20 days of the charge. Moreover, the first hearing is related to the format of the trial or the format of the offense. The nature and format of the hearing depends upon the classification of the offense they are charged with. The effect of multiple defendants or the charges is set out later in the chapter. As a reminder, there are three kinds of offenses: summary offenses, either way offenses, or indictable offenses. The accused must be present at the first hearing. If he fails to attend, the court can issue a warrant for his arrest or could produce him via video link. The accused is legally, if not represented, then the court shall have the power to bring him in the court through warrant. If he is legally presented and there is a strong plea that he is not here because of some good reason, it is not defined in the court of law that what is a good hearing, but obviously ill health is a good reason of not being appeared in the court. In such circumstances, representative can consent to a summary trial or elect crown trial on the behalf of the accused. Then the accused has to take a plea that either he pleads guilty or not guilty. If he takes a plea that he is guilty, the court can put a charge against him and then sentence him in less serious crimes, like where everything is very obvious, like driving at a much faster speed than it was allowed. So in those cases, court could sentence that person right away. But where the court is not satisfied with the evidence or the facts of the case, court can produce Newton hearing.